Looks the same. Nah,
Looks.
what? Oh my god. Is that mole?
Yeah. Don't touch it! What the fuck?
What? Why? Hey guys, we are in the shop today, and over the weekend I had a small oopsie and bumped into someone while reversing. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah. Not looking so great right now, but some people have told me that I can use hot water and a suction cup to try and pull it out. So I'm gonna be using the suction cup from my Toyota Alien rig. You think this will work?
For what?
To pull out lah.
Maybe.
Maybe, right?
Oh.
It's my suction cup for my camera rig, so you'll see I have the water boiling on the inside, and yeah, we're gonna give it a go. So it turns out there's a reason why people do this professionally and I don't. I'm probably gonna send it to the paint shop to get it fixed, because I mean, although I have made a bit of progress, I think it's arguable that it's come out a bit compared to when it was earlier. I can't seem to do it like really well myself, so I'm just gonna send it to the paint shop to get it done. Check out what else is going on in the shop today. New haircut.
Yep.
You see, we do a very good job here. As usual, it's become a meme now, but it really is the case that the S13 is still here with another problem. Hello.
Hello there.
You're on the new monthly vlog.
Monthly vlog.
Bi-monthly vlog.
Bi-monthly.
Yes.
Okay.
What are you doing today?
I am touching a coffin. Malaysians call this car a coffin.
Why?
Because it's a box.
Yeah,
it's
it
a
is a
gigantic
bit, yeah.
box, and if you crash, you die.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, if you crash, you die in most of the things here, I think.
Yes.
Oh, new Honda parts.
I believe so. EK9 calipers.
Wow.
Painted. Just painted.
Ooh.
Just doing some TLC for this. Then brake booster delete.
Why would people want to delete a brake booster? If
Race
they want to
car.
die.
More brake pedal modulation and feel.
In other news, the Biturbo is back. One that we've been doing restoration on for a while. It's just gotten a brand new interior. It looks amazing and it smells pretty amazing too with the new leather. It's not for everyone, but yeah. And also fresh coat of paint. So for detailing, what's Afiq working on today? Volvo
Yes.
XC60. And first, paint correction. Actually looks okay, doesn't look too bad.
The front runner is done.
Oh, no wonder.
Daniel.
No wonder. I was like,
The
hey.
rest of the car is not yet.
I was like, oh wow, Volvo does a decent job. I was like, oh hey, it's done already. What's this here for?
There's poop stain.
Poop stain. Oh my god. That is quite a poop stain.
And this is matte so I
Actually-
can't polish it.
So actually what happens when you have matte?
I mean, I'm letting it cool down first. Then I'll try with chemicals to see
That's
whether I
quite
can remove it. If not,
Respray. Oh, it's got PPF.
Matte PPF.
Oh.
Yeah, but no promises.
Oh my god, it really is quite bad. Oh, I think the PPF is gone.
Maybe I'll try put boiling water also.
We try our best lah. If cannot save, then we wrap lor. Yeah, but this looks like calcium kind of stain. You know, like when you stay in condo and then you park below a pipe and then it leaks.
Oh.
Yeah, it happens to quite a bit of my family.
I stay in HDB, I don't have that kind of problem.
Same. It's again multi-star
Yep, for everything.
for everything.
Oh yes.
Hell yeah.
What? Oh my god. Is that mold?
Yes.
Why?
Then don't touch it. What the?
What? Why? Oh, it's mold. Don't touch. Oh yeah,
Mold.
that's true.
Okay, now you have.
Now I'm
successfully
moldy.
gotten cancer.
Why is it moldy? We just did a full thing on this car, right?
No, this is another one.
Oh, it's another one?
Yeah. Funnily enough, we don't have like a lot of JDM GTR.
Yeah, we.
I feel like we do more
more
of
Conti, yeah, Mercedes and all that.
in a life.
Oh yeah, that's kind of the whole idea of this.
哇，先要好好读书啊，不然等一下洗车而已。
每天洗车。
每天洗车，你看。
This is such a typical. I can imagine my parents like my grandma being like, 你洗车可以赚钱的吗?
Stay in school, boys.
Yes, stay in school. But you did stay in school mostly.
Yeah, I have a degree.
Then you are a sham. You are. So it's worse. You stay in school, but you still ended up washing cars.
Yeah. No choice ah. You want to molest this type of car, you can't afford it, then
You gotta do what you have to do.
you do the my left way. Yeah, I forgot about this. Ah,
I feel like what?
I need a toothpick.
You need dental floss. Oh, it's in there somewhere.
Ah, there we go.
That's optimistic. Oh wow.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Tight fit. You can't put
Master of fitting tiny things
that into small spaces.
into spaces.
Well, it's a start. Game time. What is that?
PPF cleaner.
Oh. And like magic, it is still there.
Okay, anyway, if you can't remove this, the PPF is anyway.
Yep.
So I'm gonna do something sacrilegious.
Sacrilegious. Oh no. Ugh. I can hear it. Oh wow, that is deep, yeah. Oh my god, you've got not. There's nothing left of the. It is coming out, but quite a lot of elbow grease. Oh boy.
Oh,
Nice. Nice.
oh god.
Now we could just do the easy thing, which is to tell the owner that he needs new PPF. Which honestly it probably does.
Oh, we'll see lah.
With a fresh sponge.
Now that I know it's quite safe, and just go a bit more.
Oh yeah, it's much better now.
My fingers.
Oh. What's so special about PPF cleaner? Like, so it protects, it doesn't destroy the PPF.
Because the staining on paint versus how it stains on PPF is very different.
Oh.
So I mean, the formula is specifically for PPF and wraps.
Oh. Oh, okay.
What?
Don't you love matte cars?
Yeah.
Actually, are they easier?
No.
Do you want to trade?
Trade?
You take the camera.
No.
Oh, this is a...
No, I'm scared of you.
Why?
I've seen on how you work on cars.
No.
Yes. I've seen how you wash your own car.
Yeah. I use the two pail method.
One for rims and one for paint, right?
Yeah. Nice.
And 3 fingers later.
Yes, 3 fingers also. It's very clean now on this spot.
Oh wait. Let me dry it. Then I want to see whether.
How the water runs.
No.
Oh, I can see the patch actually. Yeah,
Right?
you can see where the water is. Oh yeah, it's like there. So why is it like that? Burn?
No lah. This. Can see the patch?
Yeah,
Because that probably ate into the.
it's just eaten into the PPF.
Yeah,
Right?
it ate into the BPF. I mean the surface is gone. If you look at it like from here, you wouldn't be able to tell.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, but it's an AMG
Wait.
GTR. Yeah.
Is there improvement?
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
There's definitely an improvement, but I mean, there's only so much that can be done. If you don't have like a direct spot of light on it, it's fine. But once you cross, yeah, you can tell. Just that probably this costs about as much as
My car.
your car. My favorite product. It is actually one of my favorite products.
Oh, your favorite product is multi-star.
I like this because it's good for people that are lazy, like me, and people that have no money, also like me. I got my car back from the repair shop and they did a pretty good job. Some of the clips were broken, so we had to just silicone the bumper back in. It's pretty alright. I need to do something about the tail lights at some point. Of course, here is the AMG GTR. Spot is still kind of there. You can see it under direct light. Yep, there we go. It's over there. I think Daniel has done the seats. As good as new. Nice extraction done on the seats, so all the mold is gone. Sam is still playing with brakes.
Ah, if only I can take a break.
So rear calipers are on. You can see the new brake lines as well at the back. And the man of the hour. Looks the same.
Looks. So I can't chase because there are sanding marks around the car.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I saw quite a bit on the spoiler actually.
Yeah, there are a lot of sanding marks. So if I really want to get rid of that, I need to wet sand it, which customer is not paying for.
Yep.
But I would say it's like a 80% improvement already.
Yeah, I think so too. There's some shots of it yesterday, it's quite bad. It's very much less shit. See, this is why you go for proper paint jobs and pay for proper paint jobs.
Yeah.
It's not that we wanted to do it like this, but it still does look pretty good lah. How is the spoiler?
Not done yet.
Not done yet.
Yeah.
Because I did just the side thing. Because the big machine cannot.
Yeah, because this fucking spoiler.
Yes.
How do you get a machine here without hitting this?
You gotta get the toothbrush. You gotta use the toothbrush.
Oh no.
No?
That, service extra.
Oh, not pay enough to use that.
Not
tool.
pay enough.
Oh, wow. How did that happen?
Polishing the car,
Yeah.
machine vibrate,
And then the mirror just popped off.
and it just popped off.
What Nice.
I can't even open the door.
Oh, you can. Oh my god, the seat. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's an E36. It's an E36. The door card is stuck inside, but the door is open.
Yeah.
Have you all coated the whole car, right?
I wish.
What are we using today?
CC1.
CC1. Are y'all doing the bumper? Yeah, we did. I'm gonna say, are you sure? Like this bumper?
Yeah.
I mean, the bonnet looks great.
Don't look at the bumper lah.
Don't look at the bumper. Yeah, don't look at the bumper. Ooh. Oh, I want to check out the spoiler. So the spoiler was a pretty annoying one. Wow. Well, how do you get here in the end? How do you...
3 inch.
3 inch?
Yeah.
Can fit ah?
Yeah.
Sometimes 3 inches is enough.
Yeah, and the badge is on.
Oh!
Follow the... I mean, actually there's something else that's supposed to be here.
What's supposed to be there?
Like 8 valve or
Oh.
8E, 4 valve.
Wait, isn't it supposed to be a Biturbo somewhere here or like a Maserati or something?
On the left side, yes. But on the 222, it doesn't come with the Biturbo badge.
Oh.
I honestly don't know whether it's a real 222. But owner says it is, so it is.
He's got a Novitec Ferrari as well.
It's not a Novitec.
Yeah, he's not a Novitec. Is the door cut? Oh.
Okay, this is a BMW from outside. Because right, you open it twice.
What, pull the handle twice?
Yeah,
no
so
fucking
you
way.
pull it, close it. It's a BMW
Oh my god.
from the outside.
I'm not sure we want to put our sticker on this car.
Our boss told us to lah.
Nice. So this 944 that got dropped off today, got its paintwork done at a really good paint shop. So it's kind of dirty now, so you can't really see, but the paint quality is way better. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. One of those days again.
Okay, hold it.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Whoa, holy sh**. Why is this so heavy? I know why there is now a metal pole in the car.
Oh yeah.
You are gonna lose your hands if this happens.
Then this shop will close down.
Yeah, that's why. Fixing some PPF today.
Yeah. It's done already. Yeah. Just not supposed to be.
It's okay. Carbon fiber. I don't know my BMW parts. What is that?
M2 ah.
No, I know what
Oh.
there is lah. What engine does it have?
I think 5.
S50, S50,
I haven't
S55.
been caught up with the new.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Because Singapore, everyone's like M54.
M54, M55, yeah. So I'm part of the BMW family now. Whether that's a good thing or bad thing, I don't know. Yeah, but I bought the cheapest E93. In fact, it's not even just the cheapest E93. It's the cheapest E9X Gen 335 on the market. We'll be finding out whether it was a scam or I got a good deal. So far when we did the pre-purchase inspection, it seemed pretty okay. And yeah, I'm picking it up tomorrow, so we'll see. I also haven't told my girlfriend that I bought it yet, so I guess I'll surprise her tomorrow when I pick her up in it. Very nice M2. Well, not very nice. Some people are not a big fan of this one. Another day, another car
Yes.
that we can't afford.
We can.
No, you can't.
We can.
How much is this? It's something like $400,000, $500,000 or something.
400 plus.
I guess that's still in the realm
I
of...
mean, we can afford it lah. If like there's like a 30-year loan.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
30-year loan.